Welcome. This is a beginner-friendly yoga for hip flexibility sequence. Feel free to have some pillows or blocks nearby in case you'd like to modify. Let's begin laying on our backs, soles of the feet to touch, allowing the knees to fall open for a supine butterfly pose. Option here to place pillows under the knees for a little added height, added support. And taking a moment here to work through the body, softening the shoulders and the upper back, softening the spine, utilizing your inhales to create space, and using your exhales to sigh out any of that tension. Softening the legs and the feet, the ankles. We'll inhale, lifting the knees, placing the right ankle to the left thigh, resting here, or hug the legs towards the chest for a supine pigeon pose. Observing the body here, staying neutral with any sensations that begin to surface. We'll release, switching sides. Left ankle to the right thigh, rest here or hug it in. We'll gently release, hugging the knees towards the chest. We'll grab the outer edges of the feet, bottoms of feet to touch, option to rock side to side. Release, one last tug, good squeeze, and we'll come to our seat. Straightening the right leg, flexing the right toes up towards the sky, pressing into that right heel. Allow the left knee to fall open. Sitting tall. We're going to go ahead and take a side stretch towards the right. We'll inhale back to center. As you exhale, side stretch towards your left. Inhale back to center. As you exhale, begin to fold forward, stopping wherever you feel that stretch. Release, planting the left foot on the inside of the right knee or the outside. Sitting tall once again, grounding into the sit bones. As you exhale, taking a twist towards your left. And we'll gently release. Switching sides. Left leg straightens, right knee opens. Inhale, go ahead and side stretch towards your left. Back to center, side stretch towards the right. Inhale, center. Go ahead and take a fold, stopping wherever you feel that stretch. We'll inhale, release, planting the right foot inside or outside of the left knee, sitting tall. As you exhale, taking your twist. Inhale back to center. Planting both feet on the mat, begin to rock the knees side to side, seeing how low you can get the knees here. Perfect. We'll come to seated. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.